Weather Service in the Quad Cities has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for southeastern Henry County, western Bureau County until 10:45 p.m. At 10:11 p.m., severe thunderstorms were located along a line extending from Manlius to near Lafayette, moving southeast at 50 miles an hour. Expected hazards include 60 miles an hour wind gusts and quarter-size hail. Hail damage to vehicles is expected. Expect wind damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Locations impacted include Kewanee, Yalva, Wyanett, Sheffield, Annawan, Tuscola, Buda, Neponset, Manlius, Mineral, Milo, Bishop Hill, New Bedford, Thomas, Providence, German Corner, Kewanee Municipal Airport, Johnson Soft Trail State Park, and Lone Tree Corners. Take cover now. Torrential rainfall is occurring with these storms and may lead to flash flooding. Do not drive your vehicle through flooded roadways. You're listening to NOAA Weather Radio Station WXJ73.